Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. My dear friends, in this video we're going to see new job opportunities available in pharmacy sector. So for getting regular job updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel and support us by sharing our videos. So let's get started. This video we're going to see new vacancies in pharma sector. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hello my dear friends, welcome to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. And my dear friends, in this video we're going to see vacancies from Lincoln Pharmaceuticals Healthcare for all. So this is a walk-in interview on 5th March Sunday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. The address is Lincoln House behind Satyam Complex, Science City Road, Sola, Ahmedabad. So here you can see department wise vacancies and the designation and the qualification experience. They are looking for production oral solid dosage form for operator, officer, or senior officer with 1 to 6 years of experience. The qualification is ITI, BSc, MSc, B Farm, or tablet coating compression capsule ointment. So the section is that one. And coming to the warehouse officer or senior officer, BSc, MSc, or diploma in pharmacy, OSD, minimum 1 year experience is required. Finished goods dispatch officer or senior officer, BCom, MCom, or BCA, and primary and secondary packaging department. Quality assurance, oral solid dosage forms and injectables. For everything, minimum 1 year experience is required. Quality control and formulation and development officer, senior officer, executive, M Pharma with minimum 1 to 7 years of experience in injectables and oral liquids, and ADL officer or senior officer, executive. The qualification is BSc, MSc, B Farm, M Farm. The experience is 2 to 6 years. Section HPLC, method validation, stability. So these are the details regarding the vacancies, my dear friends. So if you are interested, you can attend. And they are looking for their Cartridge plant factory, Tirmul Estate, Cartridge, that is Gujarat, India, Gandhinagar. Thank you for watching, my dear friends. Candidates, so if you are unable to attend the interview, can share your CVs to HR at the rate of lincolnpharma.com. Thank you for watching.